Good morning, guys! So, getting ready with me. As you can see, hair done. I use the Booster Mousse from Style Factor and hair comb, styling hair comb for this hairstyle today. Ayan, hindi ko na pinakita yung aking journey sa pag-ayos ng buhok kasi slick back using this Booster Mousse from Style Factor. And also, since lalabas tayo ng bahay, it's really hot outside, gamitin natin yung ating Glow Sun Milk Sunscreen from Gangnam Glow. Thank you, guys. Okay? Pero guys, I tried this once. Is Sun Milk SPF 50. Ayan siya. Kika. At glowy siya sa mukha, guys. So, konti lang yung ating i-apply kasi talagang ayan lang talaga siya. Tignan nyo, ha. Pang buong mukha na yata yan. I am going to also put the Daily Wear Sheer from Rejuva Minerals. Konti lang din. Kinumbayin ko siya. Pareho silang may SPF, pero ito SPF 16 lang siya. So, ayan lang siya. Wala tayong ibang ilalagay sa face kasi nga sobrang init sa labas. Hindi natin kailangan mag-foundation and all. This is my favorite lipstick everyday. Mauubos na siya kung nakikita ninyo, guys. Nakikita niyo ba yan? Paubos na siya, diba? Ayan. Concealer, ganyan lang. Blush in. Dot.